What's going on, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and inside this box is something very, very cool. We today are going to unbox the 2020W 1-ounce Palladium Eagle, and we're going to do it under this very, very high-resolution camera so you guys can see it in all of its glory. Now, this one is not mine. I have a friend who actually got his hands on one, and he wants me to send it off to PCGS to be graded. So he told me I could unbox it for a video, and then I could send it off for him. And so we'll have another video here. Watch out in a few weeks on the channel for another video where we actually reveal the grade of this as it comes back from PCGS. We will open that one live on camera as well. So guys, let's go ahead and get into this box. But before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, because it really does help me out. And of course, you'll get notifications for that future video. Okay, let's go ahead and get this thing open, guys. We're going to cut into the tape like so. And you can see I tore off one thing. The actual label for it is still on the other side, but I went ahead and tore off the one on this side because it had like the wave number and the order number. All right, so we got the tape cut, and we are going to peel this out. I got to make sure that his invoice does not show on the camera, of course. I did not get one of these, guys. I thought the price was kind of high this year, and so, you know, Palladium is very high, so it makes sense, but I did not get me one as a result. All right, let me make sure I get this out without... All right, so it's wrapped in, and his invoices is still inside, so we don't have to worry about that. So it's wrapped in this paper right here. So let's see what we have. Oh, yeah. So here is the box. And take a look at that, guys. 2020 American Eagle 1-ounce Palladium uncirculated coin. You can see the Treasury of the United States Mint logo right there. Slide it out. Of course, we have E Pluribus Unum and United States Mint. Open it up and take a look, guys. We have the 2020 American Eagle 1-ounce Palladium uncirculated coin, COA. Let's open this thing up and take a look inside. So it says $25 uncirculated, 99.95% Palladium. Very, very cool. To preserve the beauty of your coin stored in a cool, dry place. And here right there, guys, if you want to pause and read, feel free. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and take a look at the coin. So we'll get this out of the box. So I know you can see it, but you can't really feel it. This feels kind of like a leathery style box. You know, the Eagle looks like it's in some sort of metal there. I'm sure, obviously it's not Palladium. That'd be really cool though. That'd be like a collector's edition that cost even more. But it feels very, very leathery, and it has, you know, the tabs right there. All right, let's go ahead and not delay anymore. Oh, yes. Take a look at that, guys. Who's with me on the Mercury dime design? Like, seriously, Winged Liberty, come on. All right, let's get this out. Get it up close to the camera. Now, we're not going to take this out of the capsule. I do not want to risk doing anything to it. I had to take it out of the box anyway to send it off to be graded for him, but we are not taking it out of the capsule, guys. We can't risk damaging this coin at all. So it will remain in the capsule. We'll send it off in the capsule, and PCGS can remove it. Take a look at the reverse. Gorgeous. So you see 1-ounce PD or Palladium 9995 fine E Pluribus Unum here at the bottom. United States of America at the top, $25 face value, which is funny because it's worth more than gold, and the gold is a $50 face value. Look at the beautiful detail on that eagle. Guys, if that's not incredible, I don't know what to tell you. that is gorgeous. All right, guys, and that is it for this quick unboxing. Just wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now, like I said, guys, in a few weeks when we get this back from PCGS, we will do a grade reveal. So make sure you're with us so you don't miss out on that video. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. All right, guys, well, a quick after message here. This isn't showing any of his personal information. Take a look at this, guys. $3,000 he paid for this. American Eagle 2020 1-ounce HS 308. Unit price $3,000. So he paid $3,000 for this thing. Holy smokes. Just wanted to share that with you in case you're still here. Wow, look at that. Oh, my goodness. Let's go. All right, anyway, we'll see what this comes back in a couple of weeks from PCGS. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my awesome channel members that are scrolling on the right hand of the screen right now, including tonight's featured Palladium member. Thank you so very much for your support. Guys, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.